Hi there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review the security outdoor camera that I got sent out for review. The brand is NUFEBS and it has a solar panel and it includes the manuals of instructions where it tells you how you will be setting it up, and it connects through a USB-C cable and it has all the tools that you need to install it. Outside, you will need a screwdriver and a drill to install it. Here it's what it's included on the box: the solar panel, the camera, and the installation parts, the cable, and the manual instructions. It is charged through this solar panel, which is super cool because you don't need to be charging batteries at all. Here is the installation process. You will install the part where the camera goes, and then you will proceed to install the part where the solar panel goes. And now you will be just attaching the camera to this and the solar panel as well. They will be connected through the USB-C cable that it includes, and then before you install it, you will be configuring it with your phone and installing the app. So here goes the USB cable, and now we will be installing the app on the phone. So you will be scanning the QR code, and now you will be installing it. Here is how you will be installing the solar panel. And the best thing about this is that it's a 360 camera, so you can actually move it around, and it's a 2K camera. You can see really good through the phone app, and it connects through the Wi-Fi. It is pretty discreet, and it is charged through the solar panel, so you don't have to be charging it or plugging it into the power outlet.